Alright guys, this video tutorial is related to easiest way to design the problem statement. So what you have to do is you have to divide the problem statement into the sections. I have divided the problem statement into the sections, and this is example for you. In the first paragraph, you have to just discuss the background and highlight the importance of the study. In the second paragraph, relate your topic with the context of the study and highlight the problem. What does it mean by the context of the study? It means that if you are considering mobile applications and you have just considered the retail mobile applications, so in the second paragraph you have to discuss the retail applications. Okay? And in the third paragraph, discuss studies that have conducted in addressing the issue. And in the fourth, you have to discuss the gaps that you have found and you want to cover those gaps. So let's take an example that you are going to check, you are going to identify mobile app stickiness, that how consumer will stick with the mobile application, and you have just focused the retail mobile applications. So now what you have to do in the problem statement, in the first paragraph you have to write the informations related to these facts and figures that I have mentioned in a slide. That in the first paragraph you just discussed that the mobile applications and technology has increased remarkably, and the overwhelming adoption is because of the availability of the various applications and services which brings convenience in the life of the smartphones. If you can see that we have discussed the importance of the mobile phones and why it is important that people are going to adopt, because of the various applications available in the mobile phone. You can provide information like this as well, that there are different applications in the mobile phones by which user perform their activities and tasks: local business, finding local business, chatting with peers, paying bills, getting directions, and they can do shopping as well. You can provide information like this as well, that mobile apps provide new opportunities to the marketers to generate revenue, because consumers not only buy the mobile apps but they do shopping via using mobile apps. And according to Statista, mobile apps projected to generate the revenue of $935.2 billion by year 2023. Now what you have to do it in the second paragraph, that you have to relate your mobile apps with the retail mobile apps. So what you can write in this paragraph, that mobile apps have transformed the retail world as well. Retailers has also developed their apps and allow their users to buy via mobile phones, and the statistics declare that 4% of the consumers have made purchase via retail mobile apps. You can provide information like this as well, that in a hyper competitive market, many retailers apps has introduced on a day-to-day basis, and the use of retail mobile apps doubled in 2018. But all is not rosy for the retail mobile apps, as consumers are quick to delete apps because of the various reasons, including storage space of phone, poor experience, etc. Now what you have did in this paragraph, that you have discussed the importance of the retail applications, but आपने ये भी बता दिया कि everything is not rosy for the retail mobile apps, because people usually delete those apps in few time. So it means that there is a issue of mobile stickiness. ठीक है, तो आपका जो आपका डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल था आपने उसको थोड़ा सा एम्फेसाइज कर दिया. Now you can also support this जो स्टेटमेंट आपने लास्ट में दी है उसको आप सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं लाइक दिस, दैट 62% ऑफ द डाउनलोडेड एप्स वर डिलीटेड बाय द यूजर्स आफ्टर 2 weeks, and 54% of the respondents delete apps by using the same rate they download them, and the shopping apps are the most deleted ones. Hence there is a need to determine the factors that help in sticking the consumer to the mobile retail apps. तो आपने अपनी जो डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल था आपने उसको फर्दर support कर दिया है कि there is a issue of mobile stickiness. Therefore you are going to identify the variables that will increase the consumer's stickiness with the mobile app. So what you have to do in the third paragraph, you have to discuss that what have been done in this area. So you can tell the previous researches like this, that previous researchers use the perspective of motivation theory for identifying the intention toward the technology, and studies have used the technology acceptance model, and they have considered only the adoption behavior and have not considered the post-adoption behavior. Therefore we are going to address the post-adoption behavior, that is mobile stickiness. तो आप थर्ड पैराग्राफ के अंदर आपने पास स्टडीज़ को बताना है कि उसमें मोबाइल स्टिकनेस को लेकर क्या काम हुआ है और क्या काम इग्नोर हुआ है, ठीक है, and which you are going to cover. So in the fourth paragraph you can conclude your problem statement like this, that Hence, considering the importance of the retail mobile apps and the above gaps, the core aim of this research is to examine the impact of features of the mobile apps that are entertainment and usefulness on post-adoption behavior, that is stickiness. I think this video will help you in designing your problem statement. Thank you so much.